The Hindu Temple of Atlanta, located in Riverdale, Georgia, recently hosted a spectacular and vibrant conclusion to its 9-day Ganesh Chaturthi celebrations. The event culminated in the much-anticipated Ganesh Visarjan, a grand procession followed by the immersion of Lord Ganpati's idol, drawing thousands of devotees from across the region. The special feature of this year's celebration was the grand Murti of Lord Vinayaka, which was crafted by artisans at the temple itself. The idol was majestic in size and appearance, intricately designed, depicting the Vignaharta in all his glory, complete with traditional embellishments and ornaments. The highlight of the day was the grand procession that carried the idol of Viratpati. Thousands of devotees joined the procession chanting Ganpati Bappa Moria with immense enthusiasm, signifying their devotion and love for the deity. The air was filled with the rhythmic beats of drums, cymbals and traditional instruments. In a unique twist to the traditional Visarjan, devotees and organizers also played Holi as part of the celebrations. Devotees, both young and old, gleefully threw colored powders at each other, symbolizing the joy of life and the blessings of the deity. After the lively procession and holy festivities, the sacred Visarjan ceremony commenced. The idol of Sri Vigneshwaraya was carefully carried to the nearby water body for immersion. As the tradition dictates, the immersion signifies the return of Lord Ganesh to his celestial home, while also reminding devotees of the impermanence of life.
5,000 one more twice.
For the last 15 days, the volunteers and the temple, under the temple organization, the volunteers have worked very hard, and we have seen the grand celebration. Now we are going to go and see the grand Ratha Yatra, and we will go and take around the god around, and then we will do Nimajjanam in the big tent outside. And I thank all the volunteers, priests, temple management for making this happen.
We celebrated Ganesh festival for 9 days. This year, our own Silpis make the Ganesha in our own temple. So it uses 2,000 pounds of clay, and we celebrated 9 days. Today is the Nimajjanam day. It is thousands of devotees attended this event, and we are so thrilled to be in this event. So all the blessings from the Ganesh Bhagwan has to be each and every family. Jai Bolo Ganesh Bhagwan ki Jai.
Today we are celebrating Ganesh Visarjan, which is Nimajjanam in the Temple of Atlanta. So we have kept Ganpati for 9 days, and today is the final day where we are doing Visarjan. So the program started at 10 o'clock, and all the events started from 11. Thousands of people attended the event. So now it's the final time where we say bye to Ganpati with all love from all the devotees of Hindu Temple of Atlanta and in Atlanta and Georgia. So let's welcome back Ganpati Jaldi next year. Jai Bolo Ganesh Maharaj ki Jai! Jai Bolo Ganesh Maharaj ki Jai!
The festival brought together people from diverse backgrounds, united by their faith and love for Lord Ganesh. It was a true display of cultural heritage, spirituality and collective joy, where thousands of devotees shared in the blessings and festivities of this important Hindu festival.